Bitcoin in trouble. Bitcoin is rejecting 64k and current price is around 58k. Is Bitcoin in trouble? Let's find it out in today's analysis. Hello people, I'm the NakedTrader and today I will analyze Bitcoin USDT, DELL Technologies Incorporated, NOVAVAX Incorporated, MATIC Network USDT, THETA USDT and ETHEREUM USDT. If you're not a member of Team NakedTrader yet, would you be so kind to press that subscribe button? And for now, let's kick off with the weekly performance of the crypto market. So, as you can see, the sentiment is red. All coins are in red. Some big numbers: TIA minus 24.5, NEAR minus 19.8, PIT Network minus 18.5, Core minus 23.9, Bonk minus 20.5, Bread minus 22.9, Sets minus 31, VeChain minus 17.7, and if I change to the daily, today's sentiment also red. So fears in the market. Beam minus 10.3, DOX minus 6.7, EMX minus 5.7, Aptos minus 6.6, Flow minus 3.8, and from here I will go to coin market cap. Currently we have a market cap of 2.03 trillion with a 24-hour volume of 41.66 billion, and the current fear and greed is 46, which indicates neutral. And the top 10 coins of today are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, Solana, Ripple, Dogecoin, Tron, and Toncoin. And from here I will go to the weekly performance of the stock market. Overall, slightly more green than red. GPM went up 2.97, Visa Incorporated 3.34, Berkshire Hathaway 5.14, Nvidia went down minus 7.73, AMD minus 4.14, Micron Technology minus 6.43, PDD Holdings minus 31.29. What do we have here? $3 minus 12.9. General Corp minus 32.87. Amazon went up just under 1%. Apple went up just under 1%. And from here, let's go to Bitcoin. As August is closed, we're currently in September. Last month closed a red candle on the monthly. And current price is just below 58,000. We started red this month, and from here I will change to the weekly. On the weekly we can see a rejection of 64k, back to the start of the impulse, but it needs to go up and else we will test lower. From the weekly I will change to the daily, and I will show the plan of 2-3 weeks ago, just before my holiday. So this one did not play out. You could have played the short here around 64k, 65k here, and the entry here didn't got filled. It went through the start of the impulse. So the short could have been a play, but the entry not on the long. And here we are at the start of the impulse. If the price doesn't go up from here, then we can expect a big move. The scenario remains the same. Retracement all the way here to around 43k, and else I will add some more. Can also happen like this: rejection here again at 63, and then the price drops. And for the bullish momentum, I would like to see the gain of 65,000, probably a test around 67,000, pullback with entry around 61,300, trying to break the 67,000. So 4 potential scenarios here for Bitcoin. And from Bitcoin, I'll go to DELL Technologies Incorporated, starting at the monthly. Nice movement, all-time high here around $180. Tested back very aggressive here at $87. And from I will start adding some levels. And from the monthly, I will change to the weekly. I consider the $82 area as tested a little higher around $86 aggressive. That was the start of the impulse here, which caused the all-time high. Okay. I will change to the daily. Interesting. We do have a daily gain of the drop off here from 114.76. The daily gain just here from last Friday. I want to see the 4 hours. Okay. I will go back to the weekly and I will make a plan for the coming days. If you are not in position yet, this one is a little risky. The entry at 102, still playable. Trying to break the 128. That's only if you're still not in a play currently. Let me see. First target point around 10%. Second target point around 25%. And else, if you want to play a safer play, just wait a little bit and let's say the test around 140, pullback with entry at 114, trying to break the 140, aiming for the all-time high. And if the price drops, then I wouldn't play the 82.42 anymore. Then I would wait for the defensive entry somewhere between $67 and $70, aiming for 82 and 102. And the most defensive play is the entry around $57. So 4 potential scenarios for DELL Technologies Incorporated. And from DELL, I will go to NOVAVAX, starting at the monthly, currently around all-time lows. I will zoom in a bit and I'll add some levels. Okay. Rejection at $25 here from the monthly drop off to the low, but monthly gains from the lower area already tested this part, the $9.60. I'll change to the weekly. Here on high, on low, lower high, lower low, weekly loss. Okay. Okay, what can we expect? If the price goes up, I would like to see a test or a gain of 25.60, maybe a test around $31 pullback, and then either the aggressive entry around 1940, trying to go higher, and else the more defensive entry around 1640. And if the price goes lower, then I would aim for the entry at $6.56, and else the start of the impulse 3.85. But be aware, if the price falls below here, then we don't know how low it will go. So yeah, for potential plays here for NOVAVAX, and from NOVAVAX I'll go to MATIC USDT. Starting at the daily, I've charted this one at the end of 2023 somewhere. What happened? Price went up. It did try to hold here. It eventually went lower. So this one didn't play out. This one got front-runed over here. The entry was at 66 cents and it went as low as 69.25. So that was this play. Eventually we could have played it over here, but I consider this one as played already, front-runed, and the defensive entry here got front-runed as well, and later on over here got filled. Small play, about a 4.79%, so that's not a lot. For now I would like to start with a clean chart, so let me start with a clean chart here, and I will start at the weekly. Okay. Weekly rejection of the 51 cents, and I will change to the daily. Went back to the start of the impulse, current price around 40 cents. Daily gain of the drop off of 51 cents, but I prefer to see a gain here above 54 cents. So that was the rejection, and now it's back to the start of the impulse. Okay, I had some levels. Go back to the past, see what I can find here. Okay. So if the price does lower, then I would aim for the entry around 28.68 cents, trying to go up from there. I'll go back to the weekly. Okay. And if it loses support at 28.68, then an entry between 16.76 and 21 cents, trying to go up from there. And else, I would like to see a movement like this, maybe a test between 61 and 68 cents, pullback with the entry at 51 cents, trying to break the 68 cents. And if the price range a little bit longer here, then also this one is a little risky. Here, pullback with entry at 42 cents, trying to break the 54 cents. So 4 potential scenarios, but this one is the riskiest one. I prefer either this one here, the entry around 28 cents, or the bullish one, the one with the test of 68 cents pullback, entry at 51 cents. Yes, and from MATIC USDT, I will go to THETA USDT. I've charted this one also September 23, I think. And eventually this one played out over here. So this was the gain of the drop off here. And that was a potential play of almost 500% profits. Okay, that's nice. For now, I want to start with a clean chart as well. I'll start at the weekly. Here was the start of the impulse from 95 cents till $3.78. Tested back here. And rejected so far the $1.46. Okay. Let me change to the daily. Okay. So I'll add some scenarios for the coming days. Either, let's say, test around $1.64, pullback with an entry at $1.25, trying to break the $1.64, aiming for $2. And if the price goes up from here to $2 immediately, then I'll play very aggressive entry at $1.64, trying to break the $2.27, and else the entry here at 75 cents, trying to go up from there. And if it falls through support of 75 cents, then the entry at 62.7 cents. So 4 potential scenarios for THETA, and from THETA I will go to Ethereum, starting at the monthly. Last month closed in red, went all the way back to the start of the impulse here, 2260. Current month started in red as well. Okay, I will change to the weekly. Weekly losses of the whole range here went back to the start of the impulse, which caused the high here, 3,900. I will show the scenarios of 2 or 3 weeks ago, just before my holiday. And I will change to the daily. Did not even go up to 2,850, it went even lower. And this one, I will remove this one as well. So this scenario is still in play. Here the entry around 1,934. And if it fall through support over there, then the next scenario also still in play. The entry at 1,733. And for a more bullish scenario, I would like to see a test, let's say, around 3,058, pullback with the entry at 2,618, trying to break the 3,058, or else a more aggressive play, let's say test around 3,200, pullback with the entry more aggressive at 2,857, aiming for the 3,484. So 4 potential scenarios for Ethereum the coming days. And for now, thank you guys for watching today's episode. Enjoy your Sunday evening, If you have any requests, just drop it down in the comments below and I might join it in the next one. For now, see you guys later. ICP Price Analysis September 2024. Hello people, I'm the Naked Trader and today I will analyze Internet Computer. My last analysis of ICP resulted in more than 100% profits. This was the analysis of December the 31st. Where will the price of Internet Computer go the coming days? Let's find it out in today's analysis.